Hi and welcome to Fast Money Fountain. Today we will talk about how to make money online. So subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of becoming a millionaire? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we're going to show you how to turn your financial dreams into a reality. The first step to becoming a millionaire is understanding the power of compound interest. By investing your money wisely, it can grow exponentially over time. It's never too early or too late to start investing, so start small and watch your money grow. Another key to becoming a millionaire is taking calculated risks. The stock market can be a great way to invest your money and potentially make a high return. But it's important to do your research and understand the potential risks before making any big investments. Another way to become a millionaire is by starting your own business. Whether it's a small online business or a brick-and-mortar store, owning your own business can lead to financial success. But remember, starting a business takes hard work and dedication. Finally, living a frugal lifestyle can also help you become a millionaire. By cutting back on unnecessary expenses and saving your money, you'll be able to invest and grow your wealth over time. By following these tips and being consistent with your financial goals, you too can become a millionaire. So start today, and take the first step towards financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tips and strategies. Thanks for watching Fast Money Fountain and hit the like button.